Hello students, today I am going to discuss some previous year question of 2019 of Java programming, which is combination of lots of question. You can see I will start from question number 1. In object oriented programming, the stress is given on option is procedure, method, class or data. So the option will be data. Question number 2. Which of the following principle does not allow to access directly from outside the screen? You can see the option data hiding, encapsulation, abstraction, all of the above. So I have already explained you what is data hiding. Data hiding means hiding of function and methods behind the programming is called data hiding. What is encapsulation? Binding of data members and function into a single unit is called encapsulation. What is abstraction? Abstraction का मतलब मैंने आपको अच्छे से बताया है. Abstraction means presenting relevant information and hiding unnecessary things. For example, if we are selling a TV, so we are not telling the customer about the technicality, how TV has prepared, whether from aluminum or steel. We used to tell the basic things which are outside, like what is the price of TV, what is the resolution of TV. So that is called abstraction. Means whatever you are finding important, that is you are showing, and whatever you are finding unimportant, that is you have to hide. So the option will be all of the above. Question number 3. The process of combining data and function that enable them to together as a single entity is called. The option will be inheritance, encapsulation, classification and attribute. So you can see the option encapsulation is correct. I have told you already that encapsulation is binding of data member and function into a single unit is called encapsulation. Question number 4. The process by which a class acquires the property from another class is called. एक क्लास से दूसरे क्लास का प्रॉपर्टी मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है. What is inheritance? When the characteristics and feature of a superclass is inherited to a subclass, then this feature is called inheritance. This concept you used to study in biology also. It is very easy. So question number 5. In procedural programming, the stress is laid on. There is two concepts in Java programming. Basically it is in the book of class 9th. What is the difference between procedural oriented and object oriented programming? So object oriented programming क्या होता है? The programming which is related to real world, and procedural oriented which is not related to real world, means it has a procedure. So what is the option? Class, function, data and object. So the option will be function. Question number 6. A blank is a set of object that has common attribute and common behavior. किसका एक कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका कॉमन एट्रीब्यूट और बिहेवियर होता है? तो हमने पढ़ा है कि कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड क्लास, और सारे ऑब्जेक्ट का सेम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और सेम बिहेवियर होता है. सो यू कैन सी आवर ऑप्शन विल बी क्लास. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an object oriented programming? So object oriented programming क्या क्या होता है? High level languages are object oriented programming. So you know the difference between high level and low level languages. High level languages are written in simple English, and low level languages are not written in simple English. They are written in. So I have told you the difference between high level language and low level language. So high level languages are written in simple English. For example, Python, Java. Here you can see Samula, C++. But low level languages are not written in simple language. They have a different syntax. So here you can see basic will be the language which will be which will not be an object-oriented programming languages. So object-oriented programming languages are languages which are related to real world, which have a class, which have an object, and which have all the main principles which an object-oriented programming follows. What are the main principles? Those are the 4 1: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism.